Tentative KYC update for pioneers. 3 million more cases can now be unblocked. If your KYC shows tentatively approved, this is your moment. Millions of pioneers are now one step closer to mainnet. The key is the new liveness checks inside the Pi app. Complete them, and remove the block on your KYC. Tentative means your documents passed, but extra verification is needed. Finish the added step to move toward fully verified. Your identity is already matched. Now we confirm it is you, live. The liveness check proves a real person is present. It is quick, secure, and designed for global devices. If you see the prompt, do it ASAP. Don't wait. Some prompts expire or require timely action. Find a well-lit place and stable hold before you start. Follow each on-screen cue exactly as shown. When complete, you'll see confirmation and next steps. Step 1. Remove hats, sunglasses, and masks. Clean your camera lens for a clear image. Use bright, even light. Avoid strong backlight. Charge your phone and connect to reliable internet. Set aside a few minutes, then tap. Start. Frame your face fully inside the guide. Follow head-turn instructions smoothly. Blink or smile only when prompted. Hold steady. Keep your face evenly lit. The app encrypts and uploads your verification securely. You will see a completion screen. Your status moves into review, then verified. If needed, the app may request a quick retry. Watch for notifications with any updates. Congrats. You're moving closer to mainnet. Mainnet requires a verified, real user base. Verification improves trust, security, and fairness. It prevents bots and duplicate accounts. Real people enable real-world utility. Your liveness check unlocks that progress. If your status shows tentative, act now. If asked for extra verification, complete it immediately. Early completion reduces delays and review queues. Do it this week to keep momentum. Faster action, faster status updates. 3 million pioneers are moving in sync. This is a truly global rollout. Your step strengthens the entire network. Verification clears you for the road ahead. Onward to mainnet, together. If it fails, improve lighting and retry. Avoid backlight. Face the light source. Stabilize your phone for sharper capture. Use strong Wi-Fi or reliable mobile data. Reduce glare by adjusting angle or lighting. Choose a quiet space with a plain background. Allow camera and motion permissions. Update to the latest app version. Disable aggressive battery savers during capture. If it fails, review tips and retry promptly. Your liveness data is transmitted securely. Review the in-app privacy details for clarity. Use only the official app. Beware of third-party links. Do not share or record sensitive screens. Complete the process with confidence. 3 million pioneers can now be unblocked. Open the app and start the liveness check. Follow the on-screen prompts exactly. Submit, then watch for your status update. You are helping the network reach mainnet. Do it as soon as you see the prompt. Early action helps reduce review backlogs. Pick a calm moment and good lighting. Status updates appear in-app. Check regularly. Verification clears the path forward. Open the Pi app now and complete liveness. 1. Prepare. 2. Follow prompts. 3. Submit. Share your success with the community. Your action today accelerates tomorrow. Pioneers, let's move together. See you on mainnet.